process of making our specific protein bars is quite a closely guarded secret. Machinery is pretty complicated and pretty formidable, so they're made on like an 80-metre line. The ingredients are all bought in the specific quantities, weighed and measured out. They are added into a blender at the start of the line, and then it's mixed up into a hopper and it's pushed out. They come out into the first layer, which is like a paste, and it's rolled out. We apply the next layer, which is a sugar-free caramel layer, which gives them the chewiness, and also there is protein in the caramel. Then the third stage happens, which is the application of the chocolate. I've always been fascinated by performance and products that could help performance. This real fascination for science, ingredients and product, and also big lover of chocolate. Last Carb Killa bar we launched was 17 months just on flavour development. Bearing in mind we already had the concept, the name, the idea, everything else in place, it was just the flavour. So to spend 17 months on flavour, we pushed it and pushed it and pushed it, and we made it perfect.